this video, I would like to demonstrate how the deposit funds menu works, how buyers can quickly and easily add funds to their online account balance to pay for transaction fees in the marketplace, and to also add add funds to secure their escrow purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and add this item to cart. I have already purchased it, but there's multiple quantities, so I'm going to add it to cart and proceed to checkout. I've selected escrow as my payment method, so I will be required to fund this account in order to pay for the item. Place my order. Okay, so you can see here I have insufficient funds in my escrow. I have insufficient funds and I have 0 funds in my online account balance. So I'll go ahead and click my order. Okay, and I see here my Fund Escrow button. I'm going to click Fund Escrow. Enter my password again. Okay, so the button here is grayed out simply because I do not have any funds in my online account balance. So I'm going to deposit funds by clicking this link here. Okay. And you'll see that there's a minimum deposit amount and maximum. These are configurable from your invoice and transaction section in your admin panel. You'll be able to set these amounts however you wish. So I'm going to select my credit card to pay for this. You'll also see here that I have a credit card on file. So in this demo, we are saving credit cards to the database. And there's an option in your admin panel to disable that. If you disable saving credit cards to the database, your buyers will be required to enter a credit card form, which would populate, and then they can deposit funds live that way. In this case, we've saved a credit card for this example. Okay, I'm going to enter my deposit amount, and you'll see that there's a fee that's been attached to this amount. This is configurable in your backend from your Payments and APIs section. You'll just want to select the credit card gateway that you have active, and within there are settings that you can configure your transaction fee amounts. I'm going to click Continue, Confirm. Okay, so that was successful. Okay, so if I go back to my transactions, I will see here that I have an account deposit credit through my Visa for $500. So now that account has been funded. Now I actually need to go and fund my escrow. So I have account balance, and I'm going to go back to my buying activity, my purchases, and I will fund my escrow. Okay, success. Escrow account funded. Okay, so now when I can see here that my escrow is funded, and I can release the funds to the seller simply by clicking this button here. Account password entry for added security. Okay, releasing funds to my seller. Okay, so now the transaction is complete, and now feedback can be left between the buyer and the seller. Okay, and now the seller's account will have a credit of $500. So the online account balance comes in handy for another reason. If buyers or sellers have transaction fees that are owing in the marketplace, such as final value fees for sales that have been completed, they'll go to their payments and transactions area, and they'll go to billing and payments. And in this demo, I have some unpaid invoices here. You can see the ones that have been paid. So I will click on I have some upsell features that I need to pay for. So I'm going to click on the link, and I have $500 in my available account balance. So I'm going to use that to complete my payment. You agree to terms and complete payment. And basically that's how the online account balance can be used as well for invoice payments.